use it like that, it will work. They are saying check pH, check all this one, check all use it will work. What is the pH of aloe vera? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nazar and I make all the products I use in growing my natural hair. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do amazing deep conditioner that doesn't stress you.
It allows you incorporate anything you want to add to your hair, and it keeps your hair growing, nourished and healthy.
You don't have to know how to formulate to do this kind of deep conditioner. Flaxseed pre-poo, and that video will be up on the channel soon. Please do well to check. My hair feels amazing already and I'm just second guessing deep conditioning. But you know what? We have to deep condition our hair. My hair have been through heat, and I think the best or the wisest decision I could make is to deep condition. So let's go make the deep conditioner. And
Once you've gotten everything you need, you add your water to your bowl, add your cetyl alcohol, your shea butter, your flaxseed gel, and allow it to boil. So you can manipulate this as much as you want. So you see the cetyl alcohol melts faster than even shea butter. I laugh at people who say it's too much wax, because that is not waxing anything. So once everything is melted, you just blend this in. Make sure everything is incorporated so it doesn't separate, because you're not using e-wax that binds water and oil together. So this is just going to thicken your emulsion. You can add is wax if you want. So now I'm adding the avocado. This I'm going to be giving you all the grammage I use at the end of this video. Then you're going to incorporate this into this your infusion. Here you can decide to use any DIY that solves the problem of your hair. This is a good way of adding water and all the vital nutrients into your DIY. I'm adding glycerine, glycerine for moisture. I'm adding vitamin E. I'm adding tea tree oil, and then I'm also adding preservative. So you may skip this preservative if you have a refrigerator, or if you want to use it once. I don't advise you keep this for long. So this is what our deep conditioner is looking like. Very, very creamy, and this is so moisturizing and easy to work with.
knowing how to make your own hair product is not just to reduce cost, it also helps you know what exactly is going into your hair, and also helps you get products anytime, any day. Like anytime you just feel like your products are running out, you can just go into the kitchen and make something for yourself. So I discovered this new way of making deep conditioner that is different from the way I know how to emulsify hair butter, and I decided to try it and it worked out perfectly fine. I know there are a lot of things that need to be done, like check the pH and check the temperature before you add every other thing, but use it like that, it will work. Forget all these things that they are saying check pH, check all this one, check all use it will work. I know it will work. So what is the pH of aloe vera? How does it work on your hair?
So now let's talk about this deep conditioner. So the first reason why I chose avocado is because I just went through heat and my hair is seemingly very dry. Avocado is a great moisturizer. It can help prevent hair loss and promote longer, healthier hair. It can also help strengthen the hair. Avocado also acts as natural sunscreen for the hair and help protect the hair from sun. You all know that the weather these days has so much sun. Finally, avocado helps reduce frizz amongst many other. Before you venture into any DIY or use any DIY on your hair, research on your hair problem and know what exactly your hair needs. Every other thing we've added is to enhance the effectiveness of this deep conditioner. The hair wax is there to improve the conditioning of this deep conditioner on your hair. The shea butter is also there, giving its own benefit and many more. When I rinse off the deep conditioner, I prepped my hair because I want to do a mini twist on my hair. The protective hairstyle I intend to wear now, so I prepped my hair for that, and I put it in bantu knot as a way of stretching it out. And that will be my next video, how I take care and put my hair in protective hairstyle. Don't forget to stay tuned to this channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.